Hey, coming up to you with an update with that DIY building that we've been working on. We're inside the arena, the shooting arena where we're building it, and we're keeping to work here on this Armory project. As you can see on the outside, I've got the stairs in place, and I got kind of a protective post there for cornering and objects. Finally got all the windows in place, and inside we've got the concrete cement pavers in, and we're going to get this place paved. We've even got the shooting line in with brick. So all that was really nice to get in. So now it's a matter of kind of getting it grouted up. We use the polymer sand type stuff in here because we want this room to stay rustic and cool. So one of my farm hands here is putting in place. She's got a little bit of talent at this, which is what we need because it takes a little bit of artisticness to get it in place well and get it kind of leveled up. And then she waters it down and puts it in place. We also got the safe there pushed to the corner, and we're starting to work on getting ready for some of the trim and stuff at this point. It isn't going to be long, and we're going to start working on the top of it too. We got a railing to get up there, we got shooting platforms to get up there, and we got a lot of storage to get up there. But first we have to do a little bit of work inside the building. Now inside at this point we still need to trim out all the windows, and I need to do some of the floor trim. But my shop is just getting inundated with stuff, so I'm trying to get this to the point that I can get stuff in here. HVAC showed up this week and got the mini split in here. Thank you to Aaron, Patton Heating and Cooling. Dan and Scott got this thing in for me, which is fantastic. And I couldn't be more appreciative of how it looks after Dan got done here. He's got everything covered up. The mini split's in place. It fits with the safe, so we could finish the door. As you can see, I've got some trim work to do. Just a simple exterior door from Menards, but it goes in really nice. I'm going to get a locking handle on it here soon so that it's always under lock. You got to push code to get in. That'll kind of be the nicest way to do it. Get the security company out here that we use and get them to wire it up, and the building will be nice. Here you can see it's still drying along the bottom edges. The girls are working on cleaning up some of the extra polymer sand. I'm starting to hang bows on the wall. We're kind of getting it together. I've got the trim down on this section of the wall. There's more to do, obviously. There's the baseboard trim, there's the window trim, there's the door trim. Stuff's got to get done yet. We've also unboxed the Winchester safe, which is, I think, a Bandit series, so that'll be a nice addition to the room. And we're starting to finally get some performance shelving up. It's all sorts of shelving like this you can buy, folks. But I just love getting overrated shelving because all the plastic crap and the Tinker Toy stuff breaks. So you might as well get a shelf that can do at least close to 1,000 pounds a shelf, and you're probably better off than anything that does less than that. I think this one does 2,000 pounds a shelf, so it's nice, it's sturdy, it's metal. It's got wire mesh that comes with it, and it's all set to go. Move my radio and stuff off of here, and what this is the lock. I bought one of these for the farm about, I don't know, 18, 19 years ago, and I've never looked back. The farm's got these all over the place. They're keypad coated Schlage commercial locks. I think they're rated for like light commercial duty, and they work fantastic. Especially when you can't monitor all your buildings, they're always at least remaining locked, even when you're out in the field or away from the house for a little bit. Sure, there's some people that'll say it's kind of a pain to walk up the door and always have to put a code in, but I don't mind walking up to the door and put a code in. So we're going to put this on, and it should be a nice addition here to the room because the outside door's already got it, so now the interior door will have it on the outside too. So we'll get that all done. Like I said, I've got some bows up. Place is really starting to really come alive. I really like how it looks. Fire extinguisher, fire blanket are in. All the electric is on. We're starting to put stuff on the shelving, folks. Stay tuned. There's going to be another video. We're going to hit it hard this weekend and see if we can make this room even better.